Hi guys, this is Frank with Build Price Option. Today we're looking at a 2008 Toyota Tundra, and according to Kelley Blue Book, it's the #1 best used truck you can buy for under $10,000. The US built Toyota Tundra is a big, comfortable truck that features side airbags, electronic stability control, and 3 engine options. While its owners love its reliability and ease of operation, the 2008 Toyota Tundra was the first full-size pickup to earn the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick Award. And Kelley Blue Book rated the 2008 Toyota Tundra #1 for several reasons: reliability, comfort, and the power to pull a sizable load among them. The only real problem that has cropped up with the 2008 Toyota Tundra is with the auxiliary air pump system. Toyota's come up with a revision for this system that involves replacement of the air pump and check valve, and the good news is this fix has extended warranty coverage for 10 years and up to 150,000 miles from Toyota. All other systems on this truck have very infrequent problems with low repair costs. As the master mechanic over at Kelley Blue Book put it, it's a real great truck.
Also, guys, real quick before I forget, take a look at my build and price review of the 2019 Toyota Tundra Limited. I'll put a link above and in the description below.
Okay, let's talk about configurations for the 2008 Toyota Tundra real fast. Now, it's a full-size half-ton truck that comes in 3 body styles: regular cab, double cab, and CrewMax. The double cab, which this vehicle is essentially a large extended cab with 4 forward hinge doors, while the Tundra CrewMax is an extra large crew cab. Regular and double cab models can be found with either a 6.5 foot or 8 foot bed, while the CrewMax comes with only a 5.5 foot bed. This particular example we're looking at today is a double cab with a 6.5 foot bed. Okay, also trim levels. How many trim levels? There are 3 trim levels that make up the 2008 Toyota Tundra. There's the grade, which this model is, that's known as the base model. Then there's the mid-level SR5, and then there's a range topping limited. Now, the standard cab truck comes only in the grade trim, while the double cab and CrewMax are available in grade, SR5, and limited versions. Now, this particular example we're looking at today is a base model grade with a double cab. Okay, let's talk features for the 2008 Toyota Tundra. What are some of the standard features on this truck? Well, for starters, there are 18-inch steel wheels. If we jump in here in the interior, we've got the 40-20-40 cloth bench seat. It's got dual zone air conditioning, and it's got a 4-speaker CD stereo with an auxiliary jack. And at the end of the day, all you really need is an aux jack. Nope, no Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto, none of that fancy stuff, but it's got an aux jack, which means I can connect my phone and I've got whatever music I want. Here's another shot of the back. You know, you've got some pockets in the doors. You got a little 12 volt down here. Looks like some cup holders right here. What do we got right here? Yep, you got a couple of cup holders, another pocket. There's some pockets in the door. These seats fold down. You got a little storage back behind here, right? All that there. All right, let's move on. You know, real quick, while I'm thinking about it, it's worth noting that I did a complete configurations and features review of the 2008 Toyota Tundra. Yeah, this vehicle that we're looking at on my website, if you didn't know I had one, called BuildPriceOption.com. So if you want to know more about the SR5 and the limited models, because I haven't really talked much about them, and you want to know more about just the 2008 Toyota Tundra, because it is the #1 best truck you can buy for under $10,000, well, I'm going to put a link up to that article right now on the video, right up above, and I'm going to put a link in the description below. All right, so make sure you check out that article after you watch this video. All right, let's talk about the engines on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. Now, it had 3 engines. That's what I talked about in the beginning. Now, standard on the Tundra regular cab and standard on the standard bed double cab, which this model is a 4-liter V6 engine that's rated at 236 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. Now, there was a couple other options that you could get on this. Now, optional on these models and standard on all other Tundras was a 4.7 liter V8 that made 271 horsepower and 313 pound-foot of torque. If that wasn't enough, then there was the optional muscular 5.7 liter I-Force V8 that made 381 horsepower and a stout 401 pound-feet of torque. That's pretty impressive, especially for 2008. Now, if you got yourself the V6 model or the 4.7 liter 2008 Toyota Tundra, well, it only came with the 5-speed automatic transmission. But if you got the 5.7 liter I-Force V8, then it was paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Right here, you can see this this center section here folds down. You got a little cup storage here. This flips open. You got some storage in there. Let's flip this up. You can see all that flips up. So you can fit 6 people in here, and I would say comfortably 6 people in this rig, no problem. Now, all versions of the 2008 Toyota Tundra can be equipped with 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, and all trucks come with a limited slip rear differential, which is pretty cool. Now, properly equipped 4x2 Tundra regular cabs can tow up to 10,800 pounds. This particular example is a 2-wheel drive model. Let's talk safety. Let's talk safety real quick. Anti-lock disc brakes, traction control, stability control, front seat side airbags, and full-length side curtain airbags. That's all standard on the 2008 Toyota Tundra. Now, in government crash testing, the 2008 Toyota Tundra scored 4 stars out of 5 in frontal impact tests for both driver and passenger. In the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's frontal offset crash testing, the Tundra earned a good rating, which is actually the highest possible. Well, when you look at the inside of the 2008 Toyota Tundra, it's obvious that the designers placed their emphasis on utility and durability, right? It's not very stylish, but it sure is durable. And there is a lot of utility, I will tell you that. Now, let's talk some more about the interior on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. These front seats, they're ample and accommodating. The storage areas and the cup holders are generous in size, and build quality is tight. Soft touch surfaces are rare, however, and as a result, there's a large amount of plastic trim. There's a lot of plastic on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. Doesn't make it a bad truck though. Still a sweet truck, and the build quality's tight. It doesn't rattle in here. None of that. It's a good truck. These gauges, however, do leave a little something to be desired, especially when you're trying to clean them. They are attractive, but they're not as easy to read as they could be due to the individual binnacle design. And although the center stack controls that we can see over here are large and well organized, they're quite a stretch to reach from the driver's seat, actually. Especially in 2008 Toyota Tundra is equipped with the navigation system. So this vehicle does not have the navigation system. If it did, it'd be even more stretching and reaching. Now, the regular cab offers comfortable seats as well as a generous amount of interior cargo space. In double cabs, the back seat is fully usable for adults, while the CrewMax offers the roomiest rear seat of any pickup truck with a limo-like 44.5 inches of rear leg room. Even 6-footers can stretch out and cross their legs. The 2008 Toyota Tundra projects the right image that many buyers of full-size pickups desire. Its tall grille and hood and conspicuous front fenders make it as imposing as any major truck. However, it keeps its Toyota identity: a longer cab, bigger rear doors, and a shorter bed distinguish the CrewMax from the double cab. Okay guys, this was my quick walk around review of the 2008 Toyota Tundra. It's really great. Actually, as a matter of fact, I just remembered I actually did the 2019 Toyota Tundra Limited. if you like Toyota Tundras and you want to check out what the brand new one looks like, I'm going to put a link up to that as well. All right. Also, like I said, I did a complete configurations and features review on this 2008 Toyota Tundra on my website. I did a complete article. I'm going to put a link to that so you can learn more about the SR5 and the limited trim levels, right? I also took the liberty of going ahead and finding the owner's manual for the 2008 Toyota Tacoma, and it's also, I'm sorry, the Toyota Tundra, and I also put that on that same article. You can download the owner's manual right from that article. So if you're looking for that, you can find that as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and if you found this video helpful, entertaining, or anything like that, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Right? Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, so you're going to want to stay tuned.